The BOSCH GSR12V-300HXB22 12-volt Max Brushless 1/4 inch hex 2-speed screwdriver kit is a high-quality tool that combines power and compactness, making it ideal for overhead work or working in tight spaces. Equipped with an efficient brushless motor, this screwdriver delivers a torque of 300 inch-pounds and a maximum speed of 1,750 revolutions per minute, ensuring outstanding performance. Despite its power, the screwdriver is incredibly lightweight at 1.7 pounds, including the battery, and has a compact design with a head length of only 5 inches. The screwdriver features a quick-change 1/4 inch hex drive chuck for enhanced bit grip and fast bit changes, a 2-speed transmission, and 20+1 clutch settings for precision screwdriving. It also includes an LED light to illuminate dark work areas and comes with two 12-volt Max 2.0 Ampere-hours batteries and a charger. With an average review score of 4.6 out of 5 from 234 reviews and a price tag of $159, the BOSCH GSR12V-300HXB22 screwdriver kit offers excellent value for money.